Hi, I will be guiding you through the process of adding programs and courses. Start by logging in. Access your account by entering your username and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Search programs. On the dashboard, look for a search bar or a section for programs. You can use this feature to find any existing programs. Add a program. If you're creating a new program, locate and click on the Add Program button. Enter program details. A form will pop up where you can enter program details. This includes the program's title and program code. Ensure you fill in these details accurately. Additional information. If there are other fields or sections for additional details such as the program duration or a program outline, fill these in if needed. Add courses. After completing the program details, you can start adding relevant courses. There might be a button or link labeled Add Courses. Click on it and follow the instructions to include courses in your program. Title and course code. You'll need to fill in the required fields, which includes the course title and the course code. Be sure to have this information readily available to facilitate this process. You can add up to 5 courses at once. Click on the Copy-Paste Imposter, and after you've completed these steps, you'll be redirected to the course index. This is a listing of all the courses that are currently set up in the system. Here, you can review the courses you've just added.